Kevin here, Farmer Equipment. I have today with me some brand new to Farmer Equipment sales mini skid steer attachments. I have a pallet fork and I have a root rake grapple. Both of these are from HLA Horst Welding in Listowel, Ontario, made in Canada. Both under 300 pounds. The grapple, in fact, is about 275. So well suited to many small walk behind mini skid steers. The mini skid steer adapter on the back of these is compatible with many Baumolite, Bobcat, Case, Gravely, Kubota, New Holland, Ramrod, Thomas, Toro, Vermeer, Wacker-Neuson, and many of the Chinese mini skid steers, including AGT and others. The pallet fork is a 32-inch wide carriage with 42-inch long tines, weighs in at 300 pounds, has the little back guard on here. The forks are adjustable and can be locked in position throughout there every 4 inches or so. And for the grapple, it is 42 inches wide, again weighs 275 pounds. The grapple opens at 33.5 inches between the points when the grapple's open all the way. The comes with this guard over top of the hydraulic cylinder here in the middle. Again, made in Canada by HLA. The tines are made out of AR 400, so they're quite strong, and there's 7 3/8 center to center spacing on the tines. High quality, useful mini skid steer attachments in stock now at Farmer Equipment. Now that is farmer approved.